Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about rumors surface about Samsung Galaxy S25 series. OnePlus Watch 2 receives significant update. Google I/O 2024 keynote focuses on Gemini and AI. Canon announces development of EOS R1 mirrorless camera. Leaked details of Google Pixel 9 series. SoftBank considers investment in Indian data centers and robotics. IMF chief warns of AI's impact on job market and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Leaks regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series suggest the absence of a speculated stacked battery, with emphasis on AI-powered energy conservation. Tipsters indicate that the S25 Ultra prototype features a reduced camera setup comprising main, ultrawide, and periscope telephoto lenses. These leaks provide early insight into the design and features of the anticipated Galaxy S25 lineup. The OnePlus Watch 2 receives a substantial update introducing quality of life features, barometer function, and a relax app. The update rolling out under the version named OPWWE 23111A.94 adds functionality without altering the core user experience. New apps include a barometer program for environmental pressure readings and a relax app for stress regulation through breathing cues. Google prioritized Gemini and AI announcements at the Google I/O 2024 keynote, relegating Android 15 reveals to the following day. The keynote primarily centered around delivering updates and advancement in AI technologies, particularly focusing on Gemini and related products and services. Despite the shift in focus, Google confirmed the launch of Android 15 Beta 2 for the next day, easing concerns of those anticipating a new beta during the keynote. Canon unveils plans to develop the EOS R1, a full-frame mirrorless camera set to serve as the flagship model for the EOS R system. The EOS R1 targets professionals in sports, news, and video production, boasting significant enhancements in both stills and video capabilities. Advanced image processing technologies, including a newly developed DIGIC accelerator and CMOS sensor, promise top-tier performance and durability. Live images of the rumored Pixel 9 series, including Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL, have surfaced, offering insights into their design. The image revealed rounded corner and pill-shaped camera bars on the rear of the devices, along with AMOLED screens featuring a 120Hz refresh rate. Configuration details suggest the Pixel 9 series may include variants with different RAM and storage options, catering to diverse user preferences. SoftBank explores potential investment in Indian data center and industrial robotics companies to bolster its focus on AI infrastructure. The conglomerate may invest between $75 million and $150 million per deal, with a particular interest in greenfield data center projects and automation in manufacturing. SoftBank's recent commitment in high-growth industries such as logistics and autonomous driving reflects its strategic investment approach. IMF head Kristalina Georgieva warns of AI's imminent impact on the job market, likening it to a tsunami that could affect 60% of jobs in developed countries and 40% globally within 2 years. Georgieva stresses the urgency of preparing individuals and businesses for these changes, emphasizing the need for careful management of AI's transformative potential. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
Do you know a tool to tap into a vast pool of insights, establish authority, and drive traffic to your website? Don't worry, I'll tell you all about it. आज ABC of Building Online Business सीरीज में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे Q for QuickBooks and Quora. QuickBooks is developed by Intuit, offers accounting solutions for businesses of all sizes. Its on-premise and cloud-based version simplify tasks like business payment, bill management, and payroll functions, making it a must-have for all the entrepreneurs. और हम देखते हैं कोरा को। ये क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर प्लेटफॉर्म है जो बिजनेस के लिए गोल्ड माइन है। यहाँ आप मार्केट रिसर्च कर सकते हैं, अपनी फील्ड में एक्सपर्टीज एस्टैब्लिश कर सकते हैं और अपने वेबसाइट पर ट्रैफिक ड्राइव कर सकते हैं। इसके साथ ही बिजनेसेस कोरा पर एड्स भी रन कर सकते हैं। यूजिंग दीज टूल्स यू कैन टेक योर ऑनलाइन बिजनेस टू न्यू हाइट्स। इफ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड फॉलो. See you in the next episode with Alphabet R.